Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to get the Claude Desktop Cowork button back after the recent Claude Desktop application update. So starting mid-April 2026, after version 1.2773 was released, Claude redesigned some of the interface. So I have a screenshot of what the interface looked like prior to this update. So you can see here that across the top we had chat, cowork, and code as buttons at the top of the application, kind of at the center of it. So following the 1.2773 version in mid-April 2026, they redesigned the interface and put those buttons over here to the left in the top left corner. So chat and code show up here, but cowork is missing. And I can get that back for you, but first let's quick review a couple of the requirements. So first off, you do need to have a paid cloud subscription Cowork to work. And we need to have the desktop app installed, obviously, an active internet connection, and then a few other things like local admin privileges, and potentially update the Claude Desktop app. But I'm pretty sure you probably have all those already completed. The biggest thing that I've noticed with this new application version is if you do not have the virtual machine platform feature enabled on your laptop or computer, Windows desktop, the Cowork button will not show up in the top left corner. In the old application, if it wasn't enabled, it kind of just said something about, hey, virtual machine not available, and it would tell you to enable it and then restart. So let's say you want to go ahead and turn that on so you can enable Cowork. You're just going to search for turn Windows features on or off, which will open up this little settings box. And you're going to scroll down to virtual machine platform, check the box there, hit OK. And it'll search for the required files, download them, and prompt for a restart. Okay, so now we need to reboot, so we'll go ahead and do a reboot now. Okay, so the restart is complete now, so let's just open the Windows features and verify. Yes, virtual machine platform is enabled. So if we open up Claude now, and you'll see we have an additional icon here. So we have chat, cowork, and then also code. So it does appear that with the new app version 1.2273 and newer, that Claude is not showing the Cowork button in the interface unless the hardware or virtual machine platform is enabled. So just keep that in mind after you upgrade the app. And if you have any questions or this fix doesn't work, please leave a comment below. And if you have any other questions that you'd like covered in a video, add those to the comment section. I keep an eye on that. Thanks for watching and have a good day.